ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮಾತ್ರೆ ನಮಃ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ವೇದ ಜನನಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ ದಶಕಂ 20 ರಿಷಭ ಯೋಗೀಶ್ವರ ಚರಿತ್ರಂ. Dashaka 20 will be chanted in Vrittam Upajati. Shloka 1. King Priyavrata had a dear son called Agnidhara, of whom Nabhi was born. He performed a yajna worshipping you, during which he had a darshan of you, Krishna, you who was the giver of all boons to devotees. प्रियव्रतस्य प्रियपुत्र भूतात् आग्नेध्रराजा धुतितो हिनाभिः त्वां दृष्ट्वान् इष्टदम् इष्टिमध्ये तवैव तुष्ट्यै कृतयज्ञकर्मा. प्रियव्रतस्य प्रियपुत्र भूतात् आग्नेध्रराजा धुदितो हिनाभिः त्वां दृष्ट्वान्निष्टदम् इष्टिमध्ये तवैव तुष्ट्यै कृतयज्ञकर्मा. श्लोका 2. Hey Vishnumurti, who is the Lord of universe? In that yajna, the sages sang praises on you and the king prayed for a son like you. You said that you yourself would be born as his son and vanished in the yajna. Abhishtutastatra munishwaraistvam राज्ञस्वतुल्यं सुतमर्थ्यमानः स्वयं जनिष्येऽहम् इति ब्रुवाणः तिरोदधा बर्हिषि विश्वमूर्ते. अभिष्टुतस्तत्र मुनीश्वरैस्त्वं राज्ञस्वतुल्यं सुतमर्थ्यमानः स्वयं जनिष्येऽहम् इति ब्रुवाणः तिरोदधा बर्हिषि विश्वमूर्ते. Shloka 3. Hey Krishna, you were born as the son to Nabhi and his wife Meru Devi as an incarnation, and you were called as Rishabha. As Rishabha, you possessed majestic and awesome qualities in abundance, which is not commonly seen in the world. नाभिप्रियायाम् अथ मेरुदेव्याम् त्वमंशतो भूर्ऋषिभाभिधानः अलोकसामान्य गुणप्रभाव प्रभाविता शेषजनप्रमोदः. नाभिप्रियायाम् अथ मेरुदेव्याम् त्वमंशतो भूर्ऋषिभाभिधानः अलोकसामान्य गुणप्रभाव प्रभाविता शेषजनप्रमोदः. सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तनम. गोविंद गोविंद. Shloka 4. Nabhi entrusted the responsibility of ruling the kingdom to you, who is Rishabha, and went to the forest with Meru Devi to lead an ascetic life. Worshipping you there, he attained the supreme bliss Krishna. त्वयि त्रिलोकी भृतिराज्यभारं निधाय नाभिः सह मेरुदेव्या तपोवनं प्राप्य भवन्निषेवी कतः किलानन्दपदं पदं ते. त्वयि त्रिलोकी भृतिराज्यभारं निधाय नाभिः सह मेरुदेव्या तपोवनं प्राप्य भवन्निषेवी गतः किलानन्दपदं पदं ते. Shloka 5. Hey Guruvayurappa, Indra was jealous of the prosperity and greatness of yours as Rishabha. He withheld the rain from the region Ajanabha Varsha. But you, with your powers, brought enough of rainfall in that region under your continent. इन्द्रस्त्वदुत्कर्ष कृतात् अमर्षात् ववर्षणास्मिन् अजनाभवर्षे यदा तदा त्वं निजयोगशक्त्या स्ववर्षमेन व्यदधास्सु वर्षम् इन्द्रस्तुत्कर्ष कृतात् अमर्षात् ववर्षणास्मिन् अजनाभवर्षे यदा तदा त्वं निजयोगशक्त्या स्ववर्षमेन व्यदधास्सु वर्षम्. Shloka 6. Hey Krishna, Indra was thus defeated by you. He gave away the beauty Jayanti as wife to you. Though you were immersed in your soul, you produced 100 sons. Of these, Emperor Bharata was the eldest. Jitendra Dattam Kamanim Jayantim Ato Dvahanatmarata Shayopihi Ajijanat Tatra Shatam Tanujan Yesham Kshitisho Bharato Grajanma. Jitendra Dattam Kamanim Jayantim Ato Dvahanatmarata Shayopihi Ajijanat Tatra Shatam Tanujan Yesham Kshitisho Bharato Grajanma. Shloka 7. Hey Guruvayurappa, out of the remaining 9 became well-known yogis and another 9 ruled over the regions of Bharatavarsha. The other 81 attained the Brahman status due to their tapobalam, that is meditation on you, Krishna. Nava bhavan yogi vara navanye tvapalayan bharata varsha khandan सैकात्वशीतिस्तव शेषपुत्राः तपोबलाद् भूसुरभूयमीयुः नवा भवन् योगि वरा नवान्ये त्वपालयन् भारतवर्षखण्डान् सैकात्वशीतिस्तव शेषपुत्राः तपोबलाद् भूसुरभूयमीयुः. Shloka 8. Hey Krishna, as Rishabha, you instructed your sons along with the other sages the path of liberation through devotion and renunciation. Then, adopting the role of Paramahamsa, you went about as a mad person and ghost. उक्त्वा सुतेभ्योत मुनीन्द्र मध्ये विरक्ति भक्त्यन्वितमुक्तिमार्गम् स्वयं गदपारमहंस्य वृत्तिम् अधा जडोन्मत्तपिशाचचर्याम् उक्त्वा सुतेभ्योत मुनीन्द्र मध्ये विरक्ति भक्त्यन्वितमुक्तिमार्गम् स्वयं गदपारमहंस्य वृत्तिम् अधा जडोन्मत्तपिशाचचर्याम्. Shloka number 9. Hey Guruvayurappa, you yourself are the supreme Brahman. You wandered about fully immersed in your supreme bliss all over the world, instructing others. When they ridiculed you, you were totally unchanged and were indifferent to them. Paratma bhutopi paropadesham kurvan bhavan sarva nirasyamanah विकारहीनो विचचार कृत्स्नाम् महीम् अहीन् आत्मरसाभिलीनः परात्मभूतोऽपि परोपदेशम् कुर्वन् भवान् सर्वनिरस्यमानः विकारहीनो विचचार कृत्स्नाम् महीम् अहीन् आत्मरसाभिलीनः. Shloka 10. Hey Krishna, following the ways of life as a python, cow, deer and crow, you roamed about for a long time till you were consumed by fire in the hills of Coorg. Hey Guruvayurappa, kindly be gracious to me and give me relief from my diseases. Shayuvratam gomrugakacharyam chiram charannapyaparam swarupam davahritanga kutakachale tvam tapan mamapa kuruvatanatha. Shayuvratam gomrugakacharyam chiram charannapyaparam swarupam davahritanga kutakachale tvam tapan mamapa kuruvatanatha. Sarvatra Govinda Nama Sankirtanam Govinda Govinda. I request you to subscribe to Veda Janani and hit a like and share with your family and friends.